I'm out here at Morimoto Sake House, Liquor in Kawaguchi in our land. Kulev doing the coffee and everything, but man, my dude Pat Brown in there got some bomb ass beer, you know. It's good. If you know what's up, come through. Well, ikeru, y'all. Ikeru. But I got something on my mind I just want to say. Because I don't think I ever said this before. It's way past due, but you know, if you got a problem with good beer, you got a problem with me. You got a problem with black people, you got a problem with me. You got a problem with Latinos, Mexicanos, Latinx, my homies in El Salvador, Nicaragua, you got a problem with me. You got a problem with Sicilianos, you got a problem with me. You got a problem with gays and lesbians, queers, transgender, you got a problem with me. You got a problem with being weird, you got a problem with me. You got a problem with fake gold chains, you got a problem with me. Because that's how I come from the Bay. You see? I don't even say it, but I'm from the North Concord, downtown, Solano, Grant, Gill, you know what's up. But if you got problems with any of those people, you got hella problems with me. You got a problem with broke people, you got a problem with me. You got a problem with communism, communalism, sharing, you definitely got a problem with me. Brooklyn people, where you at? Chicago people, where you at? LA people, where you at? Baltimore people, where you at? Boom, Kulev, and I'm out. One love, baby. Forget these bammer ass boomer wars. Peace.